Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna go garage sailing. We're putting the bike rack on E-Money's truck. We're getting ready. What's going on, guys? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of E-Money's garage thing. Here's his truck, and we're putting a bike rack on the back because I think we're gonna find some cool stuff today. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to get the free. Don't forget to get the free guide right here. If you want to learn how to kind of resell 50 used items, it's a free guide. I built it a while back and it's really good. So you can get it. It's the first link down below, but here's the guide. E-Money! Oh my gosh, your hair, what is going on? What is this? What?
I woke up and I was like, dude, I'm a freaking Rugrat. Well, not anymore.
Dude, your hair is so long.
Crazy long.
Whoa, what?
Oh, yay, Red Bull.
Oh my gosh.
Drink your Red Bull.
Drink your Red Bull. Wow, that is seriously long. I mean, he's catching up, that's for sure. Is he catching up or is he heating up? He's heating up?
That's NBA Jam.
I know. We're gonna hit up some garage sales today. So this is what we got right here. Got, you know, in case it gets cold, got that. Got extra batteries, got sunglasses. I'll put that up here. Got yeah, extra batteries for the camera so we can vlog. And money book for receipts. So that goes right there. And that's it. First garage sale. See the sign, there it is. We're heading down here. It is a beautiful day today. Make sure you hit the like button. I know I asked earlier to hit the like button, but hit the like button just because we're finally, you know, seeing some garage sales and we're finally vlogging and excited about it, you know? Are you excited about E-Money's?
Oh yeah, totally. Today's gonna be awesome.
E-Money, you have like longer hair in the back and like shorter hair in the front.
That's my spoiler.
Is that like a Beatles?
My rear spoiler.
Is that like a Beatles thing?
It gives me more downforce.
Downforce?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where am I going?
All right. E-Money needs downforce, I guess. When he goes around corners, and every now and then the back of his head will lift up. So
yeah.
The downforce is very important. So our garage sale is right there. Well, I know that Prius. Oh no.
Oh no, the golf ball's here.
Yeah, so there's the first garage sale really of the morning, and I'm curious to see what it's gonna have for us. Our buddy Matt is here. Is he gonna say hi to us?
Hey guys.
Hey! I'm putting you on the vlog, dude.
What's up? Hey everybody, make sure you smash that like button. Chris is the man and you're learning so much right now. That's probably bad audio.
I think they did hear that. We'll see. Season is starting. Look how jacked up this dude is. Later, Matt. All right, we're gonna look at this real quick. There are a couple bikes here. Nothing crazy. My guess is we'll be in and out of this thing super fast. Let's go. All right, E-Money got a fan from that garage sale, and the lady. Am I a fan? Not of that negotiation tactic. You're like all happy. You're like, hey. It's a $2 fan. It has $2 marked on it. He goes, hey, will you take $1? And then he goes, no, it works really well. $2.
Yeah, it's because you want to know why?
Why?
I said okay, because we gotta go to another garage sale.
Let's go.
Yeah, where am I going?
Get out of here. Go that way. Next garage sale is pretty close, and close to that one is another garage sale with more bikes. So we're going to 2 garage sales in rapid succession. Rapid succession, E-Moneys. Do you like that?
Sure.
Is that too weird for you?
No.
Okay, cool. All right, good. So we're gonna go to 2 garage sales in rapid succession, and we're going to see if we can find some of these bikes. That's why we had the bike rack on the back, and we're just gonna, you know, try to knock it out that way. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. It's an 8 o'clock garage sale. It is 7:48 in the morning. So we're technically early birding it a little bit, but maybe that's our best chance of getting some of these bikes. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you comment now if garage sale season has started in your hometown. Let me know. I do read all the comments. I do. I can't get back to all of them, but I read them all. And I love reading my comments.
Today.
I think today it's starting in this town, yes. Here we go. Ooh, bikes galore.
Ooh,
Oh, Matt's here. He's ahead. Oh, this is a huge garage sale. We gotta go. Alright, so there's Matt right there. He got some cool stuff from that garage sale, which I did show on my Instagram story. You can find my Instagram story at the Bonafide Hustler. I got this kind of leather jacket all beat up, $5. Torn sleeve, but this is going on my booth for around 50. The patina and everything, someone will stitch that sleeve up and it'll be perfect. Next garage sale right here. Oh, not a good sign though. The bikes are gone. Oh man. She's kind of looking at us like we're filming. As if we're filming. But we are. Duh. Oh, I see the bikes in the background though. Cool. Let's rock this. Let's go check it out. Yes, score galore. This bike, paid 40 for it. It'll sell between 1 and 120. That bike, E-Money paid 50 for it. That should sell for around 150. We got another bike coming down here. I think he's paid 30 on this one, and this one should sell for around 60 to 80 right there. A power glider for $5. This has never been used, a radio controlled kind of power glider. I'm gonna use this myself and screw around with it. Also got a pair of Hoka shoes that are sitting in here. Black Hokas, Bonafide, should sell for around maybe 50 to about 70 bucks. Got a Top Man shirt for myself. This garage sale was a humongous score. All right, there's definitely some weird crap at this garage sale. There's weird crap. And I don't think we're gonna find anything here, but we're gonna go really quickly and come back out. We'll see if we find anything here. E-Money is buying a plant. We're trying to make money here, and E-Money is buying foliage, man. He's buying plants. What's the deal? Why be buying plants, E-Money?
Dude, because I'm making a guide called Plants to Bucks. And what it does is that it cleans up the air and makes you think really good and hustle better.
Okay. I don't know about that. We don't need a nursery. E-Money's gonna make a nursery. Yeah, E-Money buying plants. We don't need to have a nursery here, E-Money's. I don't want a nursery. He's gonna clean up the air though. I mean, if I need some oxygen, I'll go over to his house and be like, thank you, goodbye, now I'm gonna make some money. You'll have the place for the oxygen though, that's good.
Good.
Next garage sale is up here, and who knows what it's gonna be like, but this neighborhood does have some really weird stuff. This dude straight up pulled up in the driveway. Oh, cool. There's some mid-century modern stuff over there. All right, we're gonna check this out. Okay, so from that garage sale, we got a tombstone hat. This is $1. It's really cool for $1. Like, this hat's not totally destroyed. It's actually in really good condition. Same with this one. $1 for this felt hat right here.
That's almost so Indiana Jones like.
Oh my god. Anyway, so like this one will probably sell for around 30 in my booth, 25, 30. And this one will probably sell for 25, 30 in my booth as well. My booth is a perfect place for these kind of things. I almost hit your truck. Perfect place for these kind of things. These things sell like hotcakes in my booth. I also got a black tie candle, which smells pretty good. Definitely better than Badussi. E-Money, do you know what?
Hold on.
Let's
have the viewers smell it. Hold on.
Huh?
Here, hold on. Here, smell. Here, smell.
Yeah, they should smell it. What do you guys think? Smell like Badussi? Let me know. All right, on our way to our next garage sale, and the day is still pretty. The cheddar gods are on our side. They're giving us hats, candles, bikes, yeah. Flying things in the air, cool. Plants, yep, plants. They're converting us into a nursery slowly. Well, we have a yard sale right here. There's a sign, looks good. Oh, please don't be that crappy thing up there. Okay, good, it's this thing. I love East Austin garage sales, they're so much fun. Got this stage amp that has maybe a blown speaker, not 100% sure. That was free. And then this poncho, $1. I'll use that when I'm playing my flute. Yeah, I do play flute in the background. Interesting fact. Okay, so let's get this in the truck. So yeah, not too bad of a sale. Pretty cool for a free amp. The amp was $5, and then I was like, I passed on it. She's like, you can just take it. I'm glad I passed on it, right? Because then I got it. Kind of cool. I'm gonna go to this coffee shop that we've never been to before, so this is gonna be interesting. Everybody's getting like mad at these girls that are walking really slow. So this is where we're going. It's called Revival Coffee. It's on 7th Street. There are 2 parking spots. I'm seriously, 2 parking spots. That's not good. That's my reaction to 2 parking spots right there. Seriously, look at that reaction. Ain't gonna lie, this looks good. Smell test looks really good. Like really good. So I gotta do the Jordan slurp here. That's what we call it now. It's the Jordan slurp because our friend Jordan taught us how to properly do this. Ah! Wow. That's good. I'll try it again real quick. Ah! Okay, so it's about a 2-ah. It's pretty full bodied though, this Doppio. I might even give it a 3. It's a 2.5. A 2.33 repeating, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's pretty good though. I like it. It's full bodied, but I like these sourdoughs these days. What do you guys, we gotta do a little comment thing, E-Monies. You doing some selfie things?
No, I'm just sending a picture.
E-Monies, bring your hair in the picture. Come on, let's see. Let's see it on the side. All right, 1 to 10, okay? On a scale of 1 to 10, how many girls is E-Money gonna get tonight with this haircut? 10 girls? 1 girl? Let us know. I'm curious. What do you think? So we just came from this like church garage sale thing, like a school garage sale thing. What'd you get?
A New York City 2010 Starbucks mug for $1, sells for 30 to 40 bucks on eBay.
Nice. All right, guess what I got? 1 to 10, guys. Comment down below. How many girly womenies am I gonna get tonight? Girly womenies, that's what they're called. Girls and women. Will I get with this? 1 to 10. So E-Money. What did we 1 to 10 you do earlier? What did we?
My hair.
Oh yeah, 1 to 10 E-Money's hair, and then 1 to 10 this sweatshirt for $1. Oh, snap.
Look at those kitty cats.
I'm not gonna throw any bias on this thing, so 1 to 10. You let me know how many
That thing's rad.
girly womenies I'm gonna get tonight.
Super
We'll
rad.
see. Looks cool. All right, our thrifting journey has brought us to Golden Creek Cafe, so I'm sitting in here. We're about to get some tofu tacos. But yeah, right there, we're at Bolden. Actually, I might get some egg tacos today, we'll see. But yummy, yummy, yummies in my tummies. Basic tacos, and they're really good, so we're getting them. All right, we got tacos galore. Yeah. Thanks, dude.
I was like thinking, man, I walk over here and be like, oh, I'm in 201.
No. There we go. Tacos galore.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hot sauce for it, you think?
I think we're good, but Valentina might be cool if you have it. Thanks, dude. All right, so here are our tacos right here. A bunch of egg tacos with jalapenos and onions and garlic. Can't wait to get into this. We got 5 of them. That's some serious taco business right there. Comment, what is this? Those tacos are amazing. E-Money, what do you think?
I feel so good. So good.
So good. Good enough to go to one more Goodwill, so let's see what we find there. You never know. Boutique, we're always here, usually every Saturday. When you check it out, give it a whirl. We don't know what we're gonna find here. Sometimes we strike like major gold and sometimes we don't. But I believe in E-Money's hair today. I think it's bringing us good luck, so we're gonna get in there real quick. I'm gonna do a little, you know what, all the way up to Goodwill. Let's see if you know what this is. I'm gonna do a little bit of a KZ. What does KZ mean? You'll see. Did you guys get it? All right, looks like E-Money's popping on this Nerf gun, this N-code racket. And this roller thing, I think this is a pressure trigger point therapy thing, yeah. So he's got this going on, that and that. Pretty cool. Found some stuff. What'd you get, E-Money? How much is it gonna sell for? How much?
40 to 50.
Okay.
60 to 80.
Okay.
And locally probably 40. 50.
Nice. And then what did you pay for the gun? I think this is like $4, $4 and $6.
$6, $6, $3 with,
Okay.
and then 10%.
10% off. Cool. Hey, E-Money scored hard on this Goodwill. Proud of E-Monies. If you come to Austin, Texas and you touch E-Money's hair, you have good luck for a year. That's the rule now. If you touch my hair, you get good luck for 5 years. If you see Bonafide Hustler running away from people trying to touch his hair, it's because I don't want any competition. Okay, so that's basically a thrift day. E-Money did really well at that last thrift store. I hope you enjoyed the whole garage sale thing, thrift store thing. We only went to one thrift store and a bunch of garage sales. That was cool. I thought it was a really good day, and I hope this is the way the season's gonna start to evolve. Guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye!